Hey everyone, Clarence here from ChronoLogic, and today I will teach you how to run a Timenode to execute transactions for ETH bounties on the mainnet using a Windows operating system. All Timenodes must prove they have at least 333 day tokens in order to execute decentralized scheduling network transactions. Let's get into the steps for this tutorial. And now, let's install the Electron app. So in this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Windows Electron app, but you can also use our browser-based DAPP at app.chronologic.network/timenode. All the links that will be mentioned in this video will be provided on the video description. If you want to use the desktop app, you can download it at our GitHub page. The Electron Desktop app supports Windows, Linux, and Mac. I'll just choose my operating system here and it will download. For this tutorial, I will be using the Electron app on Windows. After it's done downloading, install it. When installing the Electron app, there will be a pop-up about security since it's not a signed application, and we haven't get certificate from Windows for this app, but that will be done in the future, so this is fine. Just click on More Info and click Run Anyway. After installing, launch the Electron app in your computer. We're now going to download the MyCrypto app to create a new wallet. Now I'm going to need a wallet to run my Timenode. So for this example, I'm going to create a new wallet using MyCrypto Desktop App. You can use any other wallet that you prefer, there's no problem with that. In order to create a wallet file via MyCrypto, you need to install the MyCrypto Desktop application. So go to download.mycrypto.com to download the MyCrypto Desktop app. To create a new wallet using MyCrypto, go to Create New Wallet, Generate Wallet, Key Store File, then put your desired password. Click Download Key Store File. Click Continue. So this wallet is just for demo purposes only. It will not be used on anything else. I'm just showing you how to create a wallet from MyCrypto for your Timenode. As you can see here is your ETH address and your private key. You need to save this for yourself and not to share it with anyone. Keep in mind that it's better to run your Timenode on a separate wallet for security purposes. After you have created your wallet, you need to fund it with ETH for your Timenode. We now need to prove that we really own day tokens. Now I need to prove that I do have day tokens. Let's go back to the Electron app. Select the wallet that you have just created. Then click Unlock. Take note that this is a new address that I've created. This is for security reasons since the Timenode feature requires an ETH wallet unlocked at all times, and this way you will not need to expose your main day token holding wallet. In order to run a Timenode, I need to sign a message from the wallet that is storing my day tokens. For that, I will be using MyCrypto website to sign a message. So my day token wallet is stored in MetaMask. You can also import your wallet in MetaMask by private key or JSON file. Your MetaMask should be unlocked on where your day tokens are stored. Copy the Timenode address from the Electron app, then paste it in MyCrypto verify and sign message. To do that, go to the MyCrypto page in your browser, click Tools, Sign and Verify Message, and then choose MetaMask, since my day tokens are stored in MetaMask. Click Connect. Then paste it in MyCrypto verify and sign message. Click Sign Message. Click Sign. Copy the signature and paste it into the Electron app. Click Verify. Enter the password that you have entered earlier. Then click Unlock. And now, let's get into the Timenode dashboard. So here is the Timenode dashboard. You should be able to see your ETH balance and day balance in the dashboard. You will have to enable claiming node in the Settings tab. So in the Settings tab, enable the claiming mode. Scroll down and click Save and enter your wallet password. Back in the dashboard, Timenode will start running. It will show you how many bounties did you gather and costs did you have and the total balance. So let's review the steps that we have earlier. So you need to install the ChronoLogic Electron app. You can also go to app.chronologic.network/timenode and then create a new wallet via MyCrypto. Then prove day token ownership and then run your Timenode. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learned something today. Join us in our Telegram group. Follow us on Twitter. And if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and like this video if you enjoyed it. This has been Clarence from ChronoLogic, and see you next time.